Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing what is an atom. Atoms are a basic unit of chemical elements. Everything physical that exists is made up from atoms. As they say, never trust an atom, they make up everything. Atoms themselves, even though they make up everything, are made up of three subatomic particles of their own: protons, neutrons, and electrons, with respective positive, neutral, and negative charges. You can see here in this graphic of a carbon atom that it has 6 protons and 6 neutrons in its nucleus. They make up its AMU, or atomic mass units, of 12. The rest of the atom is surrounded by 6 electrons. The amount of protons an atom has corresponds with its number on the periodic table. For example, hydrogen has 1 proton, helium has 2, lithium has 3, and so on. This here shows the weight in grams of protons, neutrons, and electrons. They're all very small, but you can see that protons and neutrons are nearly 1-to-1 in ratio, which is why each one of them equals 1 AMU. The weight of electrons is negligible. Here's an example. If the atom nitrogen with a weight of approximately 14 AMU has 7 protons, how many neutrons does it have? If you guessed 7, you'd be correct. Because protons and neutrons are a 1-to-1 ratio, and the overall AMU is 14, we know that we can just subtract 7 from 14 to get the leftover 7 is the neutrons. Now you might be wondering, what's the significance of electrons in all of this? If an atom has a neutral charge, it has the same number of protons and electrons, accounting for an overall charge of 0. If an atom has a positive charge, such as +1, it would have 1 less electron. For example, carbon plus has 6 protons and only 5 electrons. If an atom has a negative charge, it has that many additional electrons. For example, if we had carbon minus, it has 6 protons and 7 electrons. It will always have the same number of protons, but the electrons is what varies. That's all for today. I hope you learned a little bit of chemistry, and thank you for watching.